Here is a simple gardening truth that surprises a lot of people. If you wait until April to plant many vegetables, you are already late. Plant these seeds now, or miss the harvest. Some of the most productive crops actually prefer cool soil and mild weather. Wait too long and they struggle, bolt, or never produce much at all. So the real question is this: which seeds need to be in the ground before April if you want a serious harvest later? Today, we are covering the key vegetables that reward early gardeners with bigger harvests, healthier plants, and a lot less frustration. And a quick question for you right away. Do you usually start planting in March, or do you wait until April? Drop your answer in the comments. Before we talk about specific seeds, it helps to understand something important. Many vegetables actually prefer cool temperatures. Plants like peas, lettuce, spinach, and carrots evolved in cooler climates. They grow best when daytime temperatures are mild and nights are still a little chilly. When the weather turns hot, these plants often panic. In gardening terms, that is called bolting. Instead of growing leaves or roots, the plant rushes to produce flowers and seeds. That means smaller harvests and sometimes bitter flavor. Planting before April gives these crops a comfortable head start while the weather is still on their side. Think of it like this: you are letting the plants do their best work before summer shows up with a blow dryer. If there is one vegetable that absolutely loves early planting, it is peas. Peas thrive in cool soil and cool air. In fact, many gardeners plant them as soon as the soil can be worked. Waiting until April often means warmer weather arrives just as the plants are getting started. That shortens the harvest window dramatically. Planting in March allows peas to grow strong vines before heat arrives. Steps for success. Step 1. Plant seeds about 1 inch deep. Step 2. Provide a simple trellis or support. Step 3. Keep soil evenly moist while they establish. Within weeks, you will see climbing vines and eventually those sweet pods everyone loves. And here is something fun. Fresh peas from the garden rarely make it to the kitchen. They tend to disappear right in the garden. Lettuce and spinach are two of the fastest and most rewarding early crops. Plant them before April and they grow quickly in the cool air. Wait too long and the warm weather can turn them bitter or cause them to bolt. Early planting means tender leaves and longer harvests. Simple planting method. Scatter seeds lightly in rows. Cover with about 1/4 inch of soil. Water gently and consistently. In many gardens, you can begin harvesting baby leaves in about 3 to 4 weeks. And here's a tip from experienced gardeners. Instead of harvesting the whole plant, trim outer leaves and let the center continue growing. That turns one planting into multiple harvests. Quick question for you. Are you a lettuce person, a spinach person, or both? Carrots teach gardeners a valuable lesson. Good things take time. Carrot seeds are tiny and they germinate slowly. Planting before April gives them plenty of cool growing time to develop long, straight roots. If planted too late, warmer soil can dry out quickly and reduce germination. Here's a simple approach. Prepare loose soil. Carrots dislike hard or rocky ground. Sow seeds very lightly. Keep the surface consistently moist for the first couple of weeks. Once they get started, carrots quietly grow underground while you forget about them. Then one day, you pull one up and suddenly feel like a gardening genius. 2 more vegetables that appreciate early planting are onions and radishes. Radishes are one of the fastest vegetables you can grow. Plant them in March and you might be harvesting crunchy radishes in just 3 to 4 weeks. They are perfect for impatient gardeners. Onions are a little slower, but equally important to plant early. Onion sets, or seeds planted before April, establish strong roots while temperatures are still cool. That early growth often leads to larger bulbs later in summer. And here is a little humor for you. Radishes grow so fast, they sometimes feel like the garden's way of saying, "Relax, you are doing fine." Early planting sets the table for success. Let's quickly recap the big ideas from today. First, many vegetables actually perform best when planted early in cool weather. Second, planting before April gives crops like peas, lettuce, spinach, carrots, radishes, and onions the growing conditions they prefer. Third, early planting often leads to longer harvest seasons and healthier plants. Fourth, cool season vegetables help you start harvesting weeks before many gardeners even begin planting. If you are looking for the easiest place to start, try this. Start with radishes or lettuce. They grow quickly, they are forgiving, and they build confidence fast. Bonus tip: plant small amounts every 2 weeks. This technique, called succession planting, keeps fresh vegetables coming for a much longer period. Now I would love to hear from you. Which of these vegetables will you plant first this season? Drop your number one choice in the comments. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe with notifications so you never miss practical gardening tips like this. And if you want to keep learning, watch the next video on the screen. It was chosen specifically to help you grow a stronger, more productive garden. Thanks for spending a few minutes in the garden today. Remember, we are all just playing in the dirt. See you soon.